Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Tally forms for collecting LinkedIn audience feedback, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Tally forms for collecting LinkedIn audience feedback, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Tally website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Tally dashboard. Click on the New Form button to create a new form. Choose a template or start with a blank form based on your preferences. Add a title to your form that reflects the feedback you wish to gather. Begin adding questions to your form by clicking on the Add Question button. Select the question type that best fits your needs, such as multiple choice or open-ended. Customize each question with your desired text and settings. Adjust the form settings by clicking on the settings icon at the top right. In the settings menu, enable any options that are relevant for your audience, such as anonymous responses. Once you are satisfied with your form, click on the Share button. A pop-up will appear with a unique link to your form. Copy this link for later use. Now, move to your LinkedIn profile. Create a new post to share the feedback form with your audience. In the post, briefly explain the purpose of the form and encourage participation. Paste the link to your Tally form in the post. Add any relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Finally, publish your LinkedIn post. Monitor the responses from your audience directly in your Tally dashboard. Review the feedback and take the necessary actions based on the insights gathered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.